All right, guys. Today's the day. We got something special.
I don't know what this man talking about.
Nevada, how you doing, man?
The hell y'all want, YouTube?
What you got for me today, bro?
Piece of shit, Evo. Nah, let me stop. You don't hear me.
Oh, man.
Finally gonna have this car sounding like how it should.
Definitely. Definitely.
Period.
Evo's clean, dog.
No, it's
clean.
not dirty.
All right. We got some special. Don't mind the Civic. I was just holding.
No, this is not the brand.
Oh, interesting. So it's like set tripping, right?
Basically.
Because this is an NVIDIA box, but it's definitely not NVIDIA.
Not NVIDIA exhaust, I promise you that. It's better.
So what exhaust we got here, man?
We have ETS Extreme version 3.
Oh man, which means it's just pipes, right?
Oh yeah. I see a V-band. I see a V-band clamp.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, it's getting real. It's getting real.
Oh man.
It's getting real.
So what's the history behind this exhaust, man? I hear that there's some history with this exhaust.
Well, number one, I'm going to be now the third owner of this exhaust. That's number one.
This thing's a used car.
Number two, this exhaust came from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Which means there should be minimal rust, hopefully, right?
Definitely, definitely.
It looks nice already. Ooh.
Definitely.
Ooh. It's just V-band, so this should be super simple.
And this is not staying on the car forever. This is just until I'm able to, basically
afford this Tomei.
Yeah.
Well, whenever Tomei comes back in stock.
It's not really the affordability part, just more so I don't feel like waiting that long. Like you said. So I need something in the meanwhile.
Tomei takes forever to get back in stock, honestly.
Forever.
Man.
Like I said, I think right now it's like a 5-month plus waiting list. So.
Sheesh.
I don't feel like waiting that long at all.
Wow, man.
This is she.
This is nice.
This is she.
For 3 people, this is actually pretty cool. Well, for 2 people.
This is she.
It should be super simple to install.
Oh,
you
yeah,
already have a test pipe, right?
Yeah, most definitely. Honestly, like I said, the car is straight pipe now. Besides the muffler that's on the exhaust is currently on the car, but this is like you can't get more straight piper than straight piper. Is that a word?
Oh yeah, straight piper. the straight pipes. Oh man, this is interesting. Really, really, really interesting.
Yeah, this shit is gonna be rowdy.
All right. So right now my man's rocking the full race single exit on this Evo. And you don't see a lot of Evos with single exits, but this is actually pretty cool. It's actually the first I ever seen a single exit on the Evo. Perfect, All right, let's bust out the jack and the truck jack stands. Alright, so this should be a fairly simple job. We got 2 bolts there, and 1 hanger since it's only a single exit, and then 2 bolts down there. Should be good.
Alright, so
So the full race ain't it, Chief? Okay. Wow, it's a nice test pipe you got there.
it's not even a test pipe.
Yeah, it's just a pipe.
Literally.
All right. Several days later.
Several days later.
What you got there, man?
eBay test pipe.
To the fullest.
eBay, as D would say, it's just pipe.
It's just pipe, bro. That's it.
But
we are unboxing a really nice eBay pipe that'll still make lots of horsepower.
That a lot of people actually use. I know guys that literally made, you know, over 800 horsepower with this same exact test pipe.
Nice. Circuit roots, okay.
If you know, you know.
It looks nice.
Right.
How much was this?
With shipping and taxes, I think like $158.
Sheesh. Okay. That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad for eBay.
Like I said, you know, I've got the high flow cat. If you know, you know.
Alright, sorry if it's not the most detailed install, but it's more or less very simple. At least we thought, without the whole, you know, test pipe kind of thing. But we got it good, so now let's fire her up. So after installing that test pipe, I mean the high flow cat, it doesn't use that hanger, by the way. There's no hangers. But if you tighten up everything super tight, it won't even hang down. Oh yeah. Another mod done. Its face is killing me, he said. Another job well done. And tune in, sheesh, for the rest of the 4G63 944 Porsche Evo build, where we build monsters like these, just chilling under the hood, top secret. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Hit the comment, rate, and subscribe. Never forget, never stop modifying.